Sometimes we'll get calls from potential clients who will say, I've been in a wreck, I was injured, it wasn't my fault, but I wasn't wearing a seatbelt. Can I still make a claim, or can I still file a lawsuit? And the answer is yes, you can. It's just a lot more complicated. Oklahoma law allows a jury to consider someone's failure to wear a seatbelt and decide what impact that had, if any, on causing the injuries. If a jury, for example, thinks that a person's failure to wear a seatbelt contributed to 20% of their injury causation, then they'll reduce the verdict award by that percentage. And it's never an easy answer. And a lot of times on these cases, you'll have to employ an expert witness to offer testimony as to what impact the lack of a seatbelt had on the causation of a person's injuries. So these are very complicated cases. People who aren't represented and make a claim on their own with the insurance company almost always get denied on their claim if they weren't wearing the seatbelt. The insurance adjuster will probably admit the wreck was our fault. It was my driver ran a red light or ran a stop sign, whatever it may be, but you didn't have your seatbelt on, and that's the reason you were hurt. If that's the case, call our office, let us investigate the claim for you, let us look at the medical records, let us determine what impact, if any, the lack of a seatbelt had on your injuries, and get you the best recovery that we can.